Having explored the conceptual framework, strategies, and case studies of successful community engagement, it's time to apply these insights to your own business. This chapter outlines practical steps you can take to build, engage, and grow your business community. Assess your current state. Evaluate your existing community interactions. Identify who are part of your community and understand how you currently engage with them. Define your community goals. What do you hope to achieve with your community? Establish clear, measurable goals that align with your overall business objectives. Develop a community strategy. Draw on the strategies outlined in this guide to develop a tailored community strategy. Consider factors like your business model, industry, target audience, and available resources. Execute your strategy. Implement your community strategy. Initiate interactions, contribute value, build relationships, and lead with charisma and influence. Measure and improve. Regularly assess the impact of your community engagement. Use the insights to continuously refine and improve your community strategy. Keep learning and adapting. Stay abreast of developments in your business, industry, and broader societal context. Adapt your community strategy as needed to remain relevant and effective. Remember, every business and community is unique. What works for one might not work for another. The key is to understand your community, experiment with different strategies, learn from the experiences, and keep improving. As Pooyan Ghamari puts it, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Love your community, invest in it, and it will reward you manifold. In the next chapter, we'll explore some common pitfalls in community engagement and provide tips to avoid them.